Hi, this is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today we're going to be doing a piece all in purple. I've labeled it Purple Rain, and it's going to be a bloom for a commission piece that I have coming up. So I'm going to get you down to the canvas and see what we can come up with. This is PPG Multi-Pro in eggshell. It's my pillow paint. Get it at Home Depot. It's extremely affordable, and I love the texture of it. This is Blue Black by Atelier Interactive. It's basically their version of indigo. This is a opaque two-paint. You hear a lot of people talk about opaque and transparent paints. It just means how much you can see through them. Next is Pearlescent White. This is by Firedots. This is Constellation by TLP. TLP, this little piggy, it started out as a pigment, as did the Pearlescent White. Next is Brûlée, another TLP pigment. It has a copper undertone to it. This is Iridescent Gold and Gold Nugget together. Amsterdam, Iridescent Gold, and Firedots Gold Nugget. My first cell activator is Dioxizine Purple, and this is Jo Sonja product. And Titanium White, mixed with 3 parts Australian floetrol to 1 part paint. I am blowing it out now. My goal is to blow straight down and spread that white out, then blow out the petals from there. The cell activators is where my cells come from. So you have to kind of spread it out so that you have somewhere the cells can develop. If you happen to miss anything during the video, it's not a problem. You can go down into the description and find links and useful information there. So I'd invite you to give it a look. Do you want to learn how I mix my paints and cell activators? Check out the link above to my Mixing 101 videos. Coming up 2 years in October, I took the Sheleeartstyle course, and it opened my eyes to so much. Not only the technique, but also the use of color, flow, and I think most importantly, the group, the Facebook group that allows you to share ideas and find information. So if you're interested in checking that out, there is a code down in the description for 15% off the price of the course. Picked up my skewer, and I'm going to do some modification. And just put in some swirls and add in some interest where it went kind of flat on me. And pretty much enhances what's already there. A lot of my products that I use, the TLP pigments, and my swiping tools, which I didn't use in this, all come from FluidArt.co, and I'll link that down in the description, along with a lot of other places that I go for my supplies. I'm not sponsored by any of the places that I talk about. I just love their products, love the fact that it's all in one place, and the convenience. So it's just sharing the information I've found over the years. Centering this so that I can, in preparation to start to spin. In retrospect, I'm looking at the paint and I put too much pillow down. When you do that, it makes it difficult for everything to be spun off. And the thing about the pillow and the color layers, if you don't get enough off, you're going to get crazy. And with the pillow layer, if you don't get enough off, a lot of your cells will sink. And a good picture can turn bad very quickly. During the drying process, what happens is the cells will drop through and you'll lose them all. It's about time for the flyover. You notice the cells in this are actually quite beautiful. If you found today's video useful, I'd invite you to leave me a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and ring the bell for notifications of videos that I'll put out. It's my goal to put out at least 2 per week, and I'm hoping you're finding them both enjoyable and useful. See you next time. Bye now.